Aloha Island. Excited? Yeah, it's so pretty here. Rebels. The actual Parks Canada guide told us that we can go through here. And there's a cave back there. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm so gonna hurt myself in here. Oh yeah, she said that it was only held up by this one pillar. This whole cave can collapse on us at any time. Dun 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 dun. I'm just sitting there. Look at this seagull.
I'm such a shitty seagull.
Oh, there he goes. Bye. I was filming you this whole time.
You see me running back?
Yeah, why were you running?
I was kind of like timing myself. I didn't get the time though.
Oh. There it is.
What's up, little buddy?
Skeetoos! Wave! So much fun! And we got the drone out. Let's see how you're holding the drone.
Right here, my little baby. She sits in the back.
Yeah, I got it. Wait, babe, look here. I'm gonna take a photo. Yeah. Okay, got it. Alright. I'm all wet. All wet. alcohol. Yeah, he's drunk already. We found the first cave. Oh my god, I'm gonna like fall. Hold on. Let me get down there.
I'm done with snakes. I don't do snakes. Do we trans? It's fearless with everything but snakes.
It's okay.
This is a snake?
It's okay. I'll protect you.
No.
What? You don't trust me? Can you show us the cave? What? You can't fit a person in there.
Yes, you can.
Are we really doing the cave?
No, we're not going in there.
Let's do it.
No, babe, babe, no, we're gonna get stranded in there like the Thai boys.
Or I look like a Thai boy.
Exactly, you do.
Well, we can go entrance number 2 or number 3.
Let's go check out the other ones.
Let's check them out.
Come on in. I'm coming. Yeah.
Gotta bring the good stuff.
Nope, we're gonna step in there.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll go first. I'll show you how to do it.
Are you sure we want to go?
I already went there.
All I see is butts from my end.
See this rock? There's a lake there.
Okay.
And then there's a second rock right underneath here.
You okay? Don't hit your head.
I literally just have no hands. One's holding the important stuff.
Yeah.
And then
There.
there. Okay.
Now go there and stay quiet so we can have Jane come in. I'll hold your leg, Jane.
I can't see shit.
I know. Well, here. Sorry, stay there. It's okay.
Ah.
Yeah, I got your leg, kid.
Okay.
Okay, Jane.
I'm gonna leave the alcohol up here.
Yeah, just leave it. No one's gonna take it.
Yeah. So yeah, this guy is a nice. Yeah, and then yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good now.
I'm leaving the insect repellent up here too.
She slid down here. Yeah.
What? Wait, can I go there?
I got it. I got it.
Well, I'll take
Hold
your
on,
pet.
hold on. Wait, baby, just wait.
Good morning.
Good morning. Need some light. Okay, there you go. Okay, found a step.
Look over here.
Okay, let's go through.
Spider-Man cave.
Whoa.
This is so cool. Okay, people drew stuff on there. Vandalism.
Oh, there are further layers here.
Yeah. It goes like further deeper.
Okay, I'm not willing to go down that hole.
Keep going. Keep going. Here, you guys come down.
I'm
I
filming
don't
you
want
first.
to.
Go.
That was hole is my limit, man.
Like there's so much more. Come down. Come down.
Oh,
It's really cool.
Okay, fine. We're
Okay.
coming.
Really cool.
We're coming.
You know what? It's better that my hands are free. So I can just pull myself up.
Ow.
oh shit.
Did you catch that move?
I got it.
Camera?
Okay. I need someone to hold this.
Here, let me give me the camera.
Okay.
This is a good spot if you ever want to run away from home.
What does that say? Swaz.
Swata.
Swata.
Okay, I'm up. Okay, I need to see what's happening here.
Ooh, what's all that shiny stuff?
It's gold.
No.
It's water droplets.
It's just water.
Yeah, look right here.
No, dude, they're like crystals.
Nope, no, it's a water. It's water
It's
formed
just
in.
like, yeah, humidity.
It's like, yeah, the bubbles they form in.
Oh.
Marco. Keep going. Maybe it's the next one.
Look at this. Deep or dewy?
Oh my god. Get out of here. You want a picture? Okay, I already got one.
Sure, we could scale down there. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Like a bench. That's a great picnic spot.
No, they ruined it. You could just sit on the stone.
Oh, yeah, no, that's
It's kind of cute though. Okay, sit on it. I'll take a picture of you guys.
Okay, come here.
Nope.
This is our cottage. Needy and Anki unfortunately had to leave because of an emergency, work emergency. But it's a really cute cottage. Kitchen. Little foyer area. The TV. Better not forget the switch, babe. Let's keep the switch in here. We're gonna forget it in here.
That's a big bonus for them.
Yeah. They got a mini fireplace there.
We destroyed their fireplace out there.
And then the outside is really nice. Well, that's where we ate breakfast, and then the fire is out, but we had a huge fire over there. And there's my car. Yeah, and we were right beside a church, apparently. Ooh, there's a really creepy well over there. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. Anyway, now the cottage is really cute. 2 bedrooms back there, and a washroom, and a pub.